All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update, my 1000 Days Challenge. This is day 573, so let's get things started. All right, what I mentioned yesterday, I did lost quite a couple of excessive trades, so I did update this balance in the experimental trade setup. So that's something to bear in mind. So that's something to take note of. Let's just do a quick one over here. Yeah, basically in terms of the news of the war of how Russia invaded Ukraine in itself, it actually definitely does have a negative news. So across the board, you can see when the market opened today, you can see a very sharp drop for both US market and even for China market earlier in the day as well. So that's something to bear in mind. And on the flip side, I'm quite actually surprised that Bitcoin is actually doing quite well. Yeah, I mean, for the fact that it's a very volatile thing itself, even though it's still negative 3% for the day itself, it's actually holding up really strongly perspectively. I mean, relatively, I would say, and say in a strict sense. So you can see definitely we are not forming a potential double bottom in comparison to say on the January itself. So on the other hand, you can actually see that for Nasdaq and even for S&P 500 and also for Nasdaq, have actually dropped below a new low, even though we are seeing a very nice bounce right over there just as well for Nasdaq and S&P 500. So definitely I do intend to get a little bit of a buy-in for both Nasdaq and S&P 500 later today. So in addition to that, I'm also going to look to buy a little bit more Bitcoin and potentially some Ethereum as well. So to me, when it comes to any kind of situation on top, I'll definitely load up in terms of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Of course, there are certain alternate altcoins that I do buy in as well when there's a dip as well, but that is more of a higher risk kind of move or play in that sense. Right. Otherwise, nothing much to mention. I would say on the forward chart, definitely nothing much to look at because right now it's a little bit too bearish. I wouldn't want to catch the bottom. I'm a trend follower kind of a trader. But if you're a counter trend trader, you could potentially try to catch the bottom, in which case this could potentially be the short-term bottom itself, and you could have a very decent scalp reaction and enter near the 33K or 34K region itself. But for myself, I'm not a counter trend trader, so I don't try to catch the bottom or the top. So I just trade whenever there's a clear, distinct trend in that sense. Otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.